Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the noise back here. The 3D printer is running overtime. I've got a lot of videos in store, some mix of what I'm doing to show you and share with you, and hope you enjoy them. But today we're back on the Linux machine doing just little skills we've learned along the way as we switch from Mac to Linux and back to that one. And that is tagging music, right? Like I purchased a Weem Ultra, another video on that soon. And one of the newer ways to tag music now, I'll call it, at least new to me, is adding an image, album cover, album art, to that tag so it can display on the screen of the Weem Ultra when we're playing music. So on Windows and other OSs, they use like an MP3 tag software, I think it's called. We don't necessarily have that on Linux, so I found this software here. It's called Music Brains Picard, I think. You know what? Let's just look here real quick. It's under sound and video right here. Music Brains Picard. There's probably a different way to pronounce that. I'm sure you guys will correct me. But anyway, that gives you this warning when you start it up that it is not reversible. So you will screw up your tags if you mess up, right? So I'm just going to show you how I do this. I don't know if this is the way everybody does it, but I'm looking for feedback. I'm looking for feedback from you. Like, how do you do it in Linux? So I'm going to go ahead and add a folder. I'm going to go to my music directory, and let's just pick a random one in here. Let's pick No Doubt Return to Saturn. We're going to select that, and we'll see it has my files in here because I added the entire folder, so it's going to add the whole album. And then we're going to select that top level filter is what I do, and then I click lookup, and it will go down. You'll see an update down here, and it'll start running through tracks, doing its thing, looking over here, and we'll give it a second. This should go fairly quickly. Now this one, it did not find one song, but it did find the album. Now it looks like maybe there's two versions of tags on this album. Let's look at the details of it here. Okay, it doesn't look like it has my song there. That's over here. And it doesn't look like, oh, there it is. See, it's right there in this one. So I'm going to choose this tag. So I'm going to go ahead and right click this, remove this one. And I'm going to choose this as my tagging one. And then all I have to do at this point is click save. And we'll see, and it'll give us a warning again. And there it runs through them all, and it adds the image. And that's all there is to it. Let's go to the folder where that is, and let's see what that looks like. I'm going to drag this over here. I'm going to go to music, and I'm going to choose No Doubt. I got a lot of music. Return to Saturn. And there it is. There's our tags. Now, it doesn't show a picture on these because it couldn't quite recognize those. We could probably manually add that. I'm not going to do that today, but I think this is pretty good software. I've went through and tagged so much of my music so I can get pictures on it. Because before, my previous tagging, when I ripped all my CDs, I didn't have album covers or art to put on it. So this kind of replaces that, gets it going. And I really like it. So, and again, we'll see that when I do the Weem video, but down the road. But I've just been working on this on the side. Here in Linux, there is a good way to tag. There's probably a way to resolve this easier. Looking for feedback from you guys on that as I mess with this further and see where it goes. But this does a really good job of tagging. And anyway, guys, just wanted to share that real quick. Just a quick one today. Hope you enjoy it. Hope leave a comment. Let's have a conversation. Tell me how you do it on Linux. This is the way I found that seems to be the easiest, but maybe there's a better way. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.